To connect Pixel 8 to the computer and I'll cover fixing no files or pictures, regardless of the operating system, you're going to open the settings and then scroll to the very bottom. We will see About Phone. Select this one, and in About Phone, we need to locate the build number. This should be at the bottom, and tap the build number until it wants us to enter your PIN. So enter in your login, and then we're going to head out of About Phone. We're going to select System, which is right above it, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to select Developer Options. In Developer Options, we need to scroll down and keep on scrolling until we see this certain feature. It's called Default USB Configuration. Tap Default USB Configuration, and by default, this is set to no data transfer. We want to select this to File Transfer / Android Auto. If you have USB debugging on, you will need to turn that off, and that should be here, turn that off. So now, get your charging cable from the box of your Pixel 8, connect one end to your Pixel 8, and then connect the other end to your computer. If your computer doesn't have a port which supports the connection, you will need to buy another cable which uses the right ports. So when you open the computer, if you click this PC inside of the Files app, we should see the Pixel 8 and then the internal storage. But if we search for and open the Photos app, we can then click the Import button, Pixel 8. We can now see our photos without any errors, and then we can also import the photos as well. So you click the photos and add. Now on Mac, there is a slightly different process. On Mac, you Google Android File Transfer and go to the Android website and then download this software. When your Pixel 8 is connected to the computer, just open this app and then you can see the files. If you go into DCIM and then Camera, this is where all your photos are located, and you can select these ones and then drag and drop them to your computer to move.